Hi, this is Marcia, and today we're talking about Otter. Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining. This is tool number 4, Otter.ai. We talked about creating a to-do list. We talked about 2 curation resources for the students. Now we're going to talk about Otter.ai. And what Otter does is it allows the students to keep track of their thoughts, and it summarizes. For example, a group of students is going in and learning more about microplastics and designing and creating a beach cleanup day. So when they're working, what they're going to do is they're going to record themselves just by hitting record inside of Otter. And as they're speaking and as they're talking, Otter is keeping track of everything that they are saying. And at the end, it will summarize it and put it into bullet points. Why would I use Otter.ai? Because it takes away the idea of having to write everything down, making sure everything's there, versus just let's talk through our ideas. How can we inform people more about microplastics? And literally, as you're seeing it typing on the screen, that is myself talking into Otter.ai, and it is capturing all of my thoughts and ideas. This is a great program to have available for the students because it authenticates the learning. You can hear their thought process. You can hear what they are doing. Yes, they are going to be using some AI tools to help them be successful with the project, but that true authentication of them talking through the project is really powerful. So again, you can see all my notes are to the side, and I can even assign tasks after it summarizes. Otter.ai, one of my new favorites when it comes time for class projects.